guys, so today we're gonna create a elephant holding balloons, like they're like an air balloon. So are you ready for this? Yeah! No.
So we're gonna take 3 hoops and we are gonna take our wrench and we're gonna squeeze them down one by one right in the middle. Right after, we are gonna take our drill, our 1 1/4 drill bit, and drill that hole right in the middle where we squeezed the hoop down. So now we're gonna take our eyeball and we're gonna put it through the holes that we made on the hoops one by one. Now we're gonna take our 4th hoop and we're gonna try to center it right in the middle. So I'm using twist ties to attach all the hoops together. When cutting the twist tie, try to cut it all the way to the little block so there's no sharp edges and it doesn't pop your balloons. If you don't want to use the twist ties, you can definitely use hot glue to attach all the hoops together, or even rope. If you notice that your twist tie after cutting it is sharp, you can add a little bit of glue right on the block so that it doesn't pop the balloons. I use the twist ties because it's what I had in hand. It would be nice and secure, and I know it's not going to fall apart. So I just wanted to show you that I had changed the eyeball to a smaller one. These brackets are extremely useful. I have used them on big giant stuffed teddy bears to make them stand up and make the party look realistic. If you haven't seen the Minnie Mouse Winter Wonderland party or the Sesame Street party, please go ahead and look at those videos so that you can see how they stand up and how useful these brackets are. So we need to know where the center is of the wood base so that we can attach the bracket on. After you had found the center, you're gonna mark the holes of the bracket at the bottom base with a pencil or a pen. And then we are gonna drill the holes with this 3/8 drill bit.
We are gonna make these holes a little bit wider. And the reason why is this is a centerpiece, and the screws that we're gonna be using, or that we have to use in order for all of this to work, and they have a really big head, so it's nice and flush and it's not wobbling when we turn it around. We have to make the hole bigger so that the head will fall inside into the wood. So that's what we're gonna do right now. All right, so we're making the hole a little bit bigger so that the head of the screw can go in flushed into the wood. And what's this? Wait, hold on. Perfect. So now it's flushed in, as you can see. Both screws in there, and we have turned everything around. So now we're gonna add the bracket. We're gonna use the knots to tie it.
The other great thing about this bracket is that it's adjustable, so you can put it at any height that you desire. And also it doesn't have to be straight, you can put it at an angle. I want my elephant a little bit lopsided so it has that effect that the balloons are taking him up. Now that I know what height I want my centerpiece to be, I'm going to tighten that top knot.
So like that, it has that nice effect, like the balloons are taking the elephant up. So I want the elephant to kind of be like this, right? So
we're going to use the seam reaper, which is this thing, and we're going to go to the bottom, kind of like on one side, not in the middle, but on just like the left side, I guess, to remove some of the seam. And the best place where to find the seam is where the tag is. I'm going to also do the same to the top. So remove some of the seam, just a little bit, make a small hole.
We're gonna stick this up his little derriere. All right. There it goes, and we're gonna put it, and then it's gonna come out this way.
There it is. He is nice.
We're gonna put it in.
So there you have it, our beautiful centerpiece. I will be making a second video of how to install the macaroon balloons. Please like and subscribe, leave any comments if you have any questions, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.